Hey guys, it's Tony W, and it's starting to get really cold now, and it's time to break out the heated blanket. So this is pretty awesome. We have this heated blanket for over 4 years now. It has been pretty good. It's a velvety soft micro plush, which is really nice. And for the past 4+ years, it's been working out great. We only use it during the cold season, and we basically sandwich it between the sheets as well as the comforter, so it retains the heat and stuff. The best thing about this sheet is that it actually has a preheat function which heats up the bed, which is really nice. Also, this is, since it's already 4 years old, it has like a preheat function. It has 20 levels of heating, which really doesn't, you really don't need all those levels. All you need is probably like pi 10, to be honest. And there's an auto off feature as well. But the best thing is the preheat function because it basically heats up the bed. So when you get in the bed, it's nice and warm. So anyways, let's go over it. It's actually nice and lit for the digital display, and there's two big buttons that go up and down, all the way from low all the way to high. There's about 20 levels on this one, but to be honest, the newer ones I think only has like 10 levels now, which is fine. But main thing is the preheat and also the auto shut off. The auto shut off, I think, shut off in about 10 hours or so, which is nice. So basically just let it go and it will shut off by itself. There's also, you could turn away to turn off the auto shut off as well. The wiring, we actually leave the wiring around the bed, so it connects with a single wire in the foot of the bed. That makes it extremely convenient to take this thing off, unplug it, and throw it in the washing machine to wash it. It's machine washable, which is really cool. And we just leave the cabling, attached to the bed, so that when we need it, during the fall, winter, and springtime, we just basically take it out, put it in, and plug it in, and it's all set. Overall, it's been great. 4 years, still go use it probably 2 to 3 seasons out of the year, which makes this thing very, very useful, and also saves a lot of money in terms of heating bills, because at nighttime with this thing on, it lasts for about 10 hours. So you really don't need to turn on the household heat and air force heat. It's just basically using this heated blanket. Anyways, guys, it's Tony W. I hope this long-term review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.